strategy in an organization needs tools that people understand and can use if they are going to be successful. These tools may require training in various techniques, study of materials, and experience using them. So, what are the most important and common techniques used to support the just-in-time system? The reality is that there are many different techniques, and with that being said, we all know that we need a place to start. So, what techniques would be good to begin with on our just-in-time journey? Over the next few videos, we will introduce 5 different techniques that will get you started. Those techniques are the 5S system, visual management, quick changeover, zero quality control, and total productive maintenance. Now, before we go, here's a question for you to answer in the comments section. What tools, techniques, or methodologies do you think are important to the just-in-time system? We look forward to the discussions that may happen as a result of answering this question, and we'll see you in the next video.